Rose from Coal Sewing Centre. Today I'm going to show you how to use the metal hoop fabric guide set with your metal hoops. I've got my metal hoop attached to my machine and I'm going to do an embroidery onto my quilt. So I've got my quilt rolled up at the side here, and the risk I've got is that when the machine starts to move, that the quilt will start to fall into the hoop. So to stop that happening, I'm going to use the fabric guides. So the fabric guides come in two in a box. The guides in place, I need to add my magnets. So I'm going to place 4 magnets into the guides. So there's a little slot for the magnets, and the magnets just sit in the guide. So just place your 4 magnets into the guide. So the guides are on the edge of your hoop. And then with 4 additional magnets, I'm going to put them onto the other side of the quilt. So I'm just going to put 4 magnets down here. So I've got my 4 magnets on this side, and then I've got my hoop grips on this side, so hoop guides on this side, so that my quilt doesn't fall in. The hoop guides can also be used for garments as well. So if you're doing embroidery onto a t-shirt or a garment and you've had to roll it in, then the guides can sit to hold the fabric back so that it doesn't roll into your area of stitching.